Welcome to Drawing with Rembrandt. I am your host, Rembrandt. I am the Dutch master from the 1600s, known for my use of light and my wonderful Bible scenes and portraits with expressions. Today, we are going to continue learning to draw by drawing an object upside down. Drawing upside down is a great method to teach you to really see, because it forces your left side of your brain, the thinking side of your brain, to stop trying to identify what you are drawing. So, even if you have a little voice that tells you the names of features or things, ignore it. Instead, focus on a specific line and concentrate on its direction and where it lies in relation to the lines around it. Now, let me show you some examples of upside down images. So, I will draw a shape and you draw it on your paper, and then when you are done, we will turn the picture over and you will know what it is. But right now, I want you to focus on the shapes. Then you can see the picture. So let's start at the top of our page with a circle. We will do another circle right underneath it. And another one, so this will be 3 and 4, and we will try to get them to be the same size. You can see one of mine is a little smaller, so let me redo that one. I'll redo both of them. So there's 3, 4, oh dear, well, see, I make mistakes so you feel better, 5 and 6. You have 6 circles. On the bottom, we are going to draw a horizontal line. Now we are going to draw a vertical line on the left side, then a vertical line on the right side, and we will connect them on the bottom with another horizontal line. So we have made a square. Now let's draw a curved line coming out of one side of the square, and then a curved line coming out of the other side of the square. This one needs to be a little longer. Oh, this one just needs to be erased and redone. There. Very good. Now, we are going to draw some oval shapes. We are going to start one at about the 3rd circle from the top, and we are going to go up in a diagonal coming off of this, but we are drawing an oval at this diagonal. Let's draw one as a mirror image on the other side. So it will go up to the left as an oval. But this one is smaller. See, I make mistakes, so you feel better. We can always erase and make it better, can't we? Very good. Now we are going to draw another oval, and it's going to come off here off the right side and come down. So I will start it here, come down. We will try to make it about the same size and shape as the other ones, and we will draw a 4th oval coming off of here on the left side, going diagonally down. Now, at the bottom of our curved lines coming off of our square, I'm going to draw a circle and then another circle. So we are all done with the shapes that we wanted, and from this angle it might be kind of difficult to see what it is. But what if I turn my easel upside down? So once we have turned the easel over, what do you see? You should see a butterfly. You may not have seen that when we were drawing it upside down, but once we turn it the right side up, it is a butterfly. See? You can learn to draw. Imitation and breaking things into steps is a great way to learn to draw. Someday, you might be a great artist, like me, Rembrandt. Thank you for joining me. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and join me again on Drawing with Rembrandt.